Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Proven YouTube affiliate marketing strategy. Today you're going to learn a proven method for making money from YouTube affiliate marketing called What's in My Bag. I will give a brief overview of what's in my bag affiliate marketing is and why it's a proven moneymaker. Then I will show you the conscious cash flow strategy for multiplying sales and walk you through the steps you need to do to carry out a successful campaign. To begin, what's in my bag? Affiliate marketing. In What's in My Bag videos, creators effectively leverage affiliate marketing by selecting and naturally integrating products that resonate with their audience, like a tech vlogger featuring the latest gadgets or a beauty influencer showcasing makeup. Affiliate links are strategically placed in the video description for purchases, with clear disclosure ensuring audience trust. Earnings potential varies based on factors like audience size, engagement, click-through and conversion rates, commission rates, and product pricing. For example, a YouTuber with 200,000 subscribers might earn $600 per video by achieving a 3% click-through rate and a 2% conversion rate with an average commission of $10 per sale. Earnings can increase by featuring multiple products, utilizing recurring affiliate links, and growing the audience. These videos offer a valuable way to engage viewers and generate consistent income through affiliate marketing, emphasizing the importance of relevant product choice and authenticity. What's in My Bag is a proven strategy for affiliate marketing. What's in My Bag videos represent a proven strategy in affiliate marketing due to their ability to create a personal connection, offer organic product placement, and reach targeted audiences effectively. Their engaging and relatable format, coupled with the credibility of the influencer, can translate into significant affiliate revenue, making them a popular choice among content creators for monetizing their channels. The appeal of "What's in my bag" videos. Personal connection. These videos offer a voyeuristic peek into someone's life, creating a personal bond with the audience. Viewers are naturally curious about the personal choices and preferences of influencers, making this format highly engaging. Versatility. The concept is adaptable across various niches, from tech and beauty to travel and fitness. This versatility allows creators in almost any field to utilize this format effectively. Authentic showcase. Unlike direct product placements or reviews, "What's in my bag" videos feature products in a context that feels authentic and relatable, as they are part of the creator's daily life. Why it's in my bag videos are effective for affiliate marketing. Due to their organic product integration, where items are presented as part of the creator's lifestyle, enhancing viewer trust. They effectively target specific audience demographics, aligning products with viewer interests to boost engagement and conversion rates. These videos showcase the real-life utility of products, offering a more convincing demonstration than traditional ads. Their personal and relatable nature typically results in high viewer interaction, and the inclusion of popular, searchable terms boosts SEO, increasing visibility and potential affiliate clicks. Let's go through an example. Case study. Emily's Tech Gadgets Trending Video. Background. Emily, a tech enthusiast and YouTuber, decides to capitalize on the "What's in my tech bag" trend. Her channel has 50,000 subscribers, mainly tech-savvy individuals interested in the latest gadgets. Video concept. Emily creates a video titled "What's in my tech bag 2023 Top Gadgets You Need." The video showcases various tech items, including a high-end laptop, a portable charger, wireless earbuds, and a smartwatch. Affiliate products featured: Dell XPS 13 laptop, Anker portable charger, Sony wireless earbuds, Apple Watch Series 7. Affiliate arrangement. Emily partners with an electronics retailer, receiving a 10% commission on sales generated through her affiliate links. Performance metrics. Video views, 120,000 in the first month. Click-through rate, center, on affiliate links, 5%. Conversion rate, 3%. Revenue calculation. Laptop sales commission earned, $27,000. Portable charger sales commission earned, $900. Wireless earbuds sales commission earned, $5,040. Smartwatch sales commission earned, $7,200. Total commission earned, $40,140. Now let's look at how to multiply these returns by doing the conscious cash flow "What's in my bag" affiliate marketing community campaign. Concept. What's in your bag? Community edition. Instead of the traditional approach where the influencer alone showcases their bag contents, this twist involves the community or followers in the content creation process. How to implement a "What's in your bag" community edition campaign. Step 1. Launching the audience engagement campaign. Choose a theme. Decide on a specific theme for the campaign, e.g., travel, daily essentials, fitness. Announce the campaign. Use your social media platforms and YouTube channel to announce the campaign. Explain that you're asking followers to share what's in their bags related to the chosen theme. Submission guidelines. Provide clear instructions on how to submit entries, short clips or photos. Specify the preferred submission method, such as tagging on social media or sending via direct message. Step 2. Gathering and curating submissions. Collect submissions. Regularly check your social media platforms and direct messages for submissions. Set a deadline for when entries should be submitted. Review and select. Go through the submissions and select the most interesting, diverse, or unique entries that align well with your channel's content and audience interest. Plan the compilation. Organize the selected submissions in a way that will flow smoothly in a video format. Step 3. Video compilation. Create a cohesive narrative. Assemble the clips and photos into a single video. Ensure the transitions between different submissions are smooth and maintain viewer interest. Narration and commentary. Add your commentary or narration to the video, introducing each submission and providing your insights or reactions. Step 4. Integrating affiliate marketing. Identify affiliate products. Select 1 or 2 affiliate products to feature in each bag segment. Ensure these products are relevant to your audience and fit the theme. Mention products in the video. As you showcase each bag, mention the affiliate products naturally in your commentary. Affiliate links in description. Include affiliate links for the featured products in your video description. Ensure these are clearly labeled. Step 5. Publishing and promoting the video. Edit for quality. Ensure the final video is edited for clarity, pacing, and engagement. Publish on YouTube. Upload the video to your YouTube channel. Promote across platforms. Share the video on your social media platforms and encourage featured followers to share it as well. Step 6. Engaging with your audience post-release. Respond to comments. Actively engage with comments on the video to maintain audience interaction. Feedback for future campaigns. Ask for feedback from your audience about this format and what they'd like to see in future videos. By following these steps, you can create a unique and engaging "What's in your bag?" community video that integrates affiliate marketing, enhances audience engagement, and potentially increases your revenue stream. Unique benefits. This community-focused approach in "What's in my bag?" videos offers unique benefits. Community engagement. Direct audience involvement strengthens community ties, making followers feel valued and increasing their loyalty and engagement. Content diversity. Featuring diverse items and perspectives from different followers appeals to a broader audience and keeps content varied and interesting. Trust and relatability. Real-life product use by actual people boosts authenticity, making recommendations feel more like shared community advice than a sales pitch. Viral potential. The unique, engaging format has the potential to go viral, particularly if it aligns with current trends, and is likely to be shared by featured followers. Series potential. This concept can evolve into a recurring series, each focusing on different themes or demographics, maintaining freshness and ongoing audience interest. Revenue growth. Diversifying affiliate products appeals to wider audiences, and heightened engagement can lead to higher click-through rates. Over time, this approach can contribute to subscriber growth and sustained, potentially increasing, affiliate revenue. By putting a community-driven twist on the "What's in my bag?" trend, influencers can not only create unique and engaging content but also open up new avenues for affiliate marketing revenue. This approach leverages the power of community, authenticity, and diversity, making it a potentially lucrative and sustainable strategy in the evolving landscape of YouTube marketing.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated, faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.